Hey everybody, it's Robin from Roaming with Rover. Thank you so much for popping in with me today. And we are finally doing the drawing for the cross-stitch kit that I told you about the other day. And the name of that video was Cross-Stitch VIP Giveaway. And it would have been smart of me to bring the cross-stitch kit and show you the kit that I'm giving away. I did not do that. So you're just going to have to look at the video and see what kit it was that I was giving away. But it was a very nice kit. It's a Christmas design teapot teacup thing. And I just asked that you put a comment in the comment section. That's all it took to enter the giveaway. I would appreciate it if you would like it, and if you are getting interest from my videos, I would love it if you would subscribe. Of course, that is not a requirement of this or any other of my giveaways. So this is going to be quick. I already have the comment picker loaded, so I will show you the comment picker right here. There it is. We're all loaded up with the video. And there are 23 comments, so 23 of you put in for the drawing on this. Now let's see if I can do this without messing it up. I think I just touched this little button. There. Oh, and that was quick. So who is the winner? I can't read it backwards. The winner is Ashay's Handmade Items. And it says, I am trying to do cross stitch and the teapot looks pretty. Good luck to everyone. So Ashay, you have won. You have won the drawing. So you have 1 week to get back to me, and you need to email me at the address. I'll put it down below. I'll pin it to the top of the comments, the email address for you to send me a quick email. Make sure that the name that you show on your video is there, and I need your mailing information. And again, this is US only, so this does have to be a US mailing address. So today is Saturday. I know I'm a little late on the drawing, so I will give you, because it's my bad on this one, let's go until Saturday the 11th. So I need a comment from you by Saturday the 11th. Okay? I don't do redraws. It goes in the pile, and we'll do a drawing on it another time later if nobody claims this. Thank you so very much. Don't forget, you have to follow all of the YouTube rules, which will be down below in the description box. Make sure you send me that email. I can't wait to get this mailed out to you. I hope that you have enjoyed this. And if you are a cross stitcher, make sure you go in and check out Cross Stitch VIP's kits. They are phenomenal. The pricing on them is unbeatable. And they have thousands and thousands of kits that you can buy. Many of them, most of them are under $10. Many of them are in the $5, $6 range. So there's something for everybody in there. So please make sure that you pop in there and check that out. And again, there is a discount code. And again, that is also down below in the description box. I think I know what it is. I don't want to say it wrong, but it will be in the description box. So I hope you'll go check out Cross Stitch VIP, and congratulations. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.